Last month, of course, as you know better than me, rumours were swirling online claiming your father had died in prison. The rumours were later dispelled by the country's information minister, Adiala Jail, who said your father is hale and hearty. What was it like to wake up to online news, quote unquote, that your dad has died? I can't imagine what that must feel like.
Yeah, it was incredibly stressful. I saw it on X pop up on my feed, and I kind of went on WhatsApp and asked my family members in Pakistan, is there any truth to this? And they were quite quick to try and reassure us and say, I'm sure they wouldn't touch him. But the reality was that they hadn't seen him for a whole month. They weren't allowed to see him, so for the whole month of November. So they couldn't actually confirm anything to us. But yeah.